How to create Robinhood Wallet Account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Robinhood application on your device. You will be led to the home page of Robinhood. Here, tap on the Sign Up button in order to start the process of creating an account. You will be asked to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address and tap on the Continue button and further create a password. Make sure that your password must include 10 or more characters. Once entered, tap on Continue. You will now be required to enter your legal name, so go ahead and enter your first name and your last name and tap on Continue, and then on Continue again. Now, go ahead and enter your phone number. You can also tap on the Change Country Code button if you want to change your country code. Now, enter your phone number and tap on Continue and further select if you want to receive the verification code via text or call. You will then receive the verification code. So, enter your verification code and tap on Continue and further follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process, and with this, your account will be created. So, this is how you can create Robinhood Wallet account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.